Hey guys, I present to you ZiplineWeaponSystem. Is a weapon system that allows players to shoot and create fully customizable ziplines on any surface. Built for Unreal Engine 5, everything in this system is unified into a single data table. You can easily customize the range of each weapon, its visual design, the number of uses, and behavior with total ease. It is clean, optimized, and ready to deploy. This system includes various subsystems, static meshes, and skeletal meshes. Custom animations. You can easily customize each blueprint or class according to your project's needs. A pickup system. An acceleration system, and a direction change system. It also features many parameters that will allow you a deep customization of both the weapon and the zipline. Okay guys, now we are going to look at the tutorial on how to integrate it into a new Unreal Engine 5 project.
First, you need to configure the input actions. If you're using Unreal Engine 5.2 or higher, you can use the Enhanced Input subsystem. I'll leave all the input action names in the video description and in the documentation in case you have any questions.
Okay, the next step is to add the component to the character class. Note, if you are integrating this with a project that doesn't use a camera directly on the character, for example, Advanced Locomotion System V4, you will need to change the camera type parameter to Camera Manager. Camera zoom options will also not be available for these projects. In this case, we will leave it in Camera Component, because the character has the camera added directly to this same class. This system also features multiple customizable parameters and subsystems. With this, we've finished integrating the component. Now, we're going to set up the animations. First, we'll migrate the animation instance to the new skeleton. Here, we select the new skeleton we want to migrate the animations to. In this case, it is called Manny, which is the default skeleton in Unreal Engine 5 third-person projects. The next step is to configure the animation blueprint for the new character. Now, let's find the animation blueprint of the new character. By default in Unreal Engine 5, the class assigned to the character is Animation Blueprint Quinn. However, this has a parent class, so make sure to select that parent class to complete the setup. It is worth mentioning that if your project uses only one animation blueprint, you can do this process directly there. We are also going to look for the example animation blueprint from the previous character, so you know the exact order to add the animation instances. All right, we are also going to migrate the animation montages to the new character, and then we'll add them to the system's component. Perfect, guys. With this, you now have the system integrated into your Unreal Engine 5 projects. Now, to use it, you just need to drag the Zipline weapon item blueprint into your map and configure which weapon you want. I'm going to adjust the character's camera slightly so it can aim correctly. If your project already has an aiming system, this step is not necessary. If you want to change the zipline properties, you can also do it very easily from the weapons data table. For example, I'm going to change the range of weapon number 4 from 5,000 to 50,000, which will allow us to create much longer ziplines. After making changes in the data table, remember to update the weapon number on the item so the new values are applied. As you can see, the changes were made correctly, and our zipline is much longer. Now I'm going to change the maximum number of times we can use this weapon. By default, it's 5. I'll set it to 15. Great! Now we can create 15 ziplines every time we pick up the weapon. Currently, the way to reload the number of ziplines you can create is by dropping the weapon and picking it up again. But you might not want this in your project, so you can have the weapon destroy itself when it reaches 0, or add a timer. This depends on each user. Remember that when you buy the system, you have full access to the source code in any version of Unreal Engine 5, so you can customize or expand the system as needed. And that's it, guys. That is how you set up the Zipline weapon system in your project. If this video helped you, please don't forget to support the channel by hitting that like button and subscribing for more Unreal Engine 5 tutorials, high-quality game dev mechanics, and advanced blueprint systems. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next UE5 tutorial. Happy developing!